Pangea, or Pangea was a supercontinent that existed during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic era. It assembled from earlier continental units approximately 335 million years ago and began to break apart about 175 million years ago. https://n.wikipedia.org Pangea Wikipedia size movement. People also ask what existed during Pangea. What does word Pangea mean? Did humans live on Pangea? Where is Pangea now? Pangea existed for 100 million years, and during that time period several animals flourished, including the Traversodontidae, a family of plant-eating animals that includes the ancestors of mammals during the Permian period. Insects such as beetles and dragonflies flourished 22 February 2018. What is Pangea? Theory and facts about the supercontinent live more or less. The breakup of Pangea continues today in the Red Sea Rift and East African Rift. But how do we know that Pangea actually existed? After all, human beings evolved only a few 100,000 years ago, so no one was around to witness this geomorphological monstrosity. Spanning a supercontinent, how Pangea was discovered. Britannica. Did Pangea happen before humans? What are 5 pieces of evidence that Pangea once existed? The evidence for continental drift included the fate of the continents, the distribution of ancient fossils, rocks and mountain ranges, and the location of ancient climatic zones. 11 August 2020. What are species? What did Earth look like before Pangea? Before Pangea, Earth's land masses lift apart and smashed back together to form supercontinents repeatedly. Just like other supercontinents, the number of the dendritic zirconians increased during formation and dropped off during breakup. Rodinia. Will Pangea happen again? Pangea once the first supercontinent formed during Earth's 4.5 billion year history and won't last. Next came Rodinia. which dominated the planet between 1.2 billion and 750 million years ago. Others, Pangea. Pangea supercontinent that incorporated almost all of Earth's land masses. The early geologic time fully assembled by the early Permian. Dinosaurs lived on all the continents at the beginning of the age of dinosaurs during the Triassic period about 230 million years ago. Make international that not Pangea proposed the nation of an ancient supercontinent which he named Pangea, sometimes spelled Pangea. Just before the dawn of the dinosaurs, roughly 251 million years ago. Continental drift from Pangea to today. What if Pangea never broke apart? Pangea Science Video for Kids, Science Video for Children on. Pangea formed in the late Carboniferous 200 million ago, when the lake ocean between Gondwana and Laurasia closed at that time. The South, working in a small groups, students will piece together the supercontinent Pangea based on fossils and rock evidence found. Our changing planet breakup for Pangea 250 million years ago. There was a single gigantic called Pangea. View an animation of Pangea puzzle. Pangea meaning Pangea map. Other Pangea.